I'm Adam, and this is Techdive, a channel devoted to computer enthusiasts. We do everything from gaming to video editing, and we are giving away a free copy of Movie Studio's 15 Platinum by April 27th, and it's really easy to enter. Techdive's been doing Vegas tutorials since 13 Platinum, but Stevens and my mutual love of the software has developed years ago on our first projects of film sketches and camera tricks. On the earlier channel, I was part of a group of friends, excited about our new ability to publish videos internationally. YouTube was very new. As filmmakers, we quickly outgrew the free editing softwares we had access to and needed something that was more robust, but affordable and could run on our parents' computers. We found, as if it was fate, a copy of Vegas 6. It was amazing. It was non-linear. We could have layers of video, layers of audio, and render out to any codec. We felt empowered. We wanted every video to carry some sort of clever editing trick that Vegas Movie Studio let us do. We used better and better cameras. A few of us went to college for videography and marketing. Despite the professional level of equipment we started to use, Movie Studio was right there with us the whole way. Other high-end editors just seemed too clunky to switch to, and were too needy about the codecs it could take or spit out. Vegas Movie Studio was more than a software to us. It was the empowerment for our expression. On Techdive, we were creating computer building tutorials and product reviews, and Steven urged me to create Vegas tutorials. They flowed out naturally. You guys have been great to me and keep telling me how helpful each one is to you. I know how you are. You're eager to tackle new projects, to learn something new, and to improve your skills with every video, and I want to help as much as I can. Today, you can enter to win a free copy of Vegas Movie Studio 15 Platinum. How do you enter? Follow the link. Through the link, which is in the video description, and pinned as a comment, every action you do through the link is an entry in our competition. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for entering the contest. We're excited to announce the winner after April 27th. Until then, you can watch our regularly scheduled content of product reviews, benchmarks, gaming videos, tutorials, and so much more. Thanks for watching. Thanks for entering. See you next time.